Hello everyone, I'm Tabitha with Moonlight Custom Creations, and today, so exciting, we are doing a light up Christmas tumbler. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this tumbler. I have been wanting to do this. So what I have here is I've already prepped and painted my tumbler. I prepped it with 80 grit sandpaper, and then I painted it with Rust-Oleum 2x flat white. So, did I already say this is a 20 ounce Strawbler from the Stainless Steel Depot? I don't remember. I'm just so excited. Anyway, it has this little compartment down here. I'll show you the bottom here. This is what it looks like, and I already have it kind of screwed up, but it screws on right at the bottom here, and it has the straw right here, which I will take out to show you guys. It's got this little nifty little straw, has something, I don't know what that is. What is that? I don't know. But it has a straw. I don't know. We don't need that anyway. But this is for our lights. So look at the lights. Ah! I'm so excited. I got the multicolored lights. This is by Silapex. I got a pack of 6 off of Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description box below. But our battery pack will go right in here, and we will drill a hole right at the side here somewhere, not sure where yet. That way you can string the lights up. So I am very excited. I'm going to glitter this entire base because I want the entire base to be glittered. And so that's basically what we're going to do today. All the fun stuff is going to start tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get this tumbler glittered. All right, guys, the glitter that I'm going to use is I'm going to use Blizzard from the Glitter Grind. It does have like a blue tint to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've actually used this on some of my glitter pens, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Mod Podge here, which is I already have because I just glittered a tumbler. But you want to put some Mod Podge in a cup or something. You want to have your little brush. I use the Wet n Wild brand, and I just get these off of Amazon. They're like a couple bucks. Very inexpensive. And everything that I use, I will have a link down in the description. So we're just going to take our Mod Podge, put on a very generous coat all over our tumbler. Now that you have a good coat of Mod Podge on there, we're going to take our glitter and then just glitter the entire thing. Go over it again. Do a little shake. Make sure we don't have any holes. Oh no, they look pretty good. Let's see the glitter. It's absolutely gorgeous. See how it has like a kind of blue hue to it? And I thought this was perfect because it just reminds me of Christmas. Absolutely reminds me of Christmas. Now we're just going to take our extra glitter here and we're going to put it back in our container because we don't like to waste here. Whoops. Even though I just wasted some. But that's fine because we have our handy dandy vacuum and we will just vacuum the excess up. So, all right. Now with this tumbler, I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to put a coat of Rust-Oleum 2 times clear on there because I don't want my glitter to move. And then I'm going to put a coat of epoxy on there and I will be back to show you the next step, which is stringing the lights. All right, I will see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back with our Christmas tumbler here, our light up Christmas tumbler. Now we are going to string these lights. So what I have here is I have a drill from my husband's tools set, and I'm using a 1/8 bit. I printed out my water slide here, which we're going to put that on after we drill our hole and before we glue the lights on. So I thought this was absolutely perfect, and I love National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. So let's go ahead and get to drilling. I'm really hoping I don't mess this up. I am not savvy with power tools whatsoever, so I might even need my husband's help with this. All right, now that we have our hole in our tumbler, what we're going to do is we're going to apply our water slide. And then we're going to string the lights. So I'm going to try to figure out exactly where I want my water slide. I'm going to put it right here. So we'll just go ahead and dunk that in our water. Let that soak. Now that our water slide is finished, we are going to put it face down where we'd like it on the cup. I'm going to put it more towards the middle here, I feel like. All right, we're just going to apply a little bit of pressure and then go down with it. And then we're going to use our squeegee and make sure we get out all the air bubbles. Okay. And then that is what we have. And now it is time to string the lights. So what you're going to do is you want to check your lights before you get started. So I'll just turn mine on, make sure all the bulbs work and everything. And they do. And then you just want to go up through the bottom here and then string them up through here. Okay. And the rest of this is actually going to go, so I'm actually going to try that out because I'm not sure if I need to cut a little spot here or not. So it works perfectly. That is so awesome. I'm so excited. And now we're just going to play with it to see exactly where we want to do our lights and glue them in. So this is the kind of placement that I was thinking. And then with the lights turned on, it would look like that. Oh my God! I'm super stoked. Okay. So now I'm going to start at the bottom and then just work my way around. Alrighty, now it's time to string the lights. So what I'm going to be using is UV resin. This is the kind that I have. And then you're going to need a LED light. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a small little bump. There we go. And then hit it with the UV light. Okay. All right. And then we're going to do that all the way around the tumbler. Our hole is pretty much covered. Still has a little indent there, but that's when we put epoxy over it, it will take care of that. So let's go ahead and put this in here. String our lights up there. See how this screws on. And there you have it. Oh my God. I am like seriously obsessed with this. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put probably like 2 or 3 coats of epoxy over it. I don't mind if the bulbs are still a little bumpy. And that's pretty, I mean, I'm fine with that. But we're gonna try to get it as smooth as possible. So let me put some coats of epoxy on this and I will be back to show you the final result. Here she is, our light up tumbler. Absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with this tumbler. Let me see if I'll turn my lights down so you can see the, oh my goodness. This tumbler is just absolutely gorgeous. I am obsessed. I am in love. The battery pack is down here, so that is covered. And I still need to clean up the rim a little bit. Got some epoxy right here. But I'm absolutely obsessed with this tumbler. I love it. And you can still feel the bulbs, which is what I was going for. I didn't want it completely smooth. You can put it completely smooth. That's completely up to you. Personal preference. But I still wanted to be able to feel the bulbs. So that is our LED light up Christmas tumbler tutorial. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you.